Good morning, dear all. Good morning. Today, our lecture topic is related to welding defects. Okay. So, let me introduce what do you mean by welding defect and uh, how it is effect on the welding process. Whenever we do the welding, at that time, which type of problem is generated, what are the reason behind that, and what are the solutions for that problem. Okay. In this video, we will go through all the topic. Okay, just concentrate. Okay. Now see, there is a different type of welding defects. Okay. There are the number of welding defects which causes the welding zone as well as the welding point, and that defects as follows. Which are those defects? So the defects are porosity, slag inclusion, incomplete fusion, incomplete penetration, cracks, underfilling, undercutting, overlap defect. Okay. This all are the normal defects that we have faced during welding. So let me go in detail one by one. First is porosity. Okay. Now see, concentrate on your screen. As you see that whenever there is a two plates that are welded at that time of the joint, whether it is a butt joint or lap joint, there is a small holes are generated. This is simple called the porosity that is seen on the screen. See at here. Here there is a mark of the porosity. Okay, there is a small holes that is created at the time at the joint of two welding. It is simple called the porosity. So the porosity means small voids throughout the weld material. Right now, okay, small gap, small that is generated. Why porosity is caused? Porosity is caused by the entrapment of the refractory oxide, improper joint design, poor electrode manipulated technique. As we know that during welding we have to go through the straight polarity, reverse polarity, and there is a joint design, and there is a refractory oxide is generated that the gases are also entrapped during the at the time of joint. So it is the simple generated porosity, right? It's very simple. Now the next one defect is the solid inclusion. Okay, solid inclusion. Now as seen on the as you seen on the screen, it's something like as also porosity, but it is not a porosity. See, there is a two job. If you see it here, okay. If you see it here, there is a one job and another job. In every figure, we have considered this two job, and at here there is a welding. Okay. So, solid inclusion, it means are any non-metallic solid material entrapped in the weld metal. Okay. जब भी दो वेल्डिंग का दो प्लेट का जब भी जहाँ पर भी जॉइंट होता है उसके बीच में कोई ऐसा पार्टिकल जो उस वेल्ड मटेरियल के अलावा कोई और पार्टिकल है, ओके, वो अगर इन दोनों के बीच में वेल्डिंग में जॉइंट हो जाए, देन दैट टाइप ऑफ डिफेक्ट इज सिंपल कॉल्ड द सॉलिड इंक्लूजन्स. ओके, एनी नॉन मेटालिक सॉलिड मटेरियल entrapped in the weld metal. It is caused by the dirty base metal, excessive moisture in the electrode and dirty filler wire. Okay, dirty base metal हो या फिर मॉइस्चर एक्सेसिव जनरेट हो चुके हों वेल्ड इलेक्ट्रोड के थ्रू, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रोड का भी मटेरियल हम यूज़ करते हैं, इलेक्ट्रोड को भी हम फील करते हैं वेल्डिंग के दौरान, एंड डर्टी फिलर वायर हो, देन इट इज़ ऑल्सो सॉलिड इंक्लूजन इज जनरेटेड. Lack of penetration. Now see, lack of penetration, it means what? As seen in the figure that there is a two plates. ये जॉब है, दो जॉब के बीच में अगर हमने वेल्डिंग किया हुआ है, जैसे कि वेल्ड पुल यहाँ पर आपको दिख रहा है, as you seen it here, this is simple the weld pool that is generated between this two job. So at that time, whatever the green color that you see, that is simple called the lack of penetration. So lack of penetration means that the weld depth is not up to the desired level. Okay, welding जो भी होना चाहिए, that is not at the desired level. There should be some gap. Okay, so this weld depth is the simple called the lack of penetration. So it is caused also because of the improper joint. For example, it is simpler to obtain full penetration in U joint as compared to J butt joint, and too large root face, root gap is too small bevel angle, less arc current, and faster arc travel speed. Okay, these are the reason. Because of that, lack of penetration is generated. Okay. Then after the next one is the weld crack. Now as you see, there is a two plates, that is two simple pipe that is joined. So at the time of joint, there is a little bit force is generated, and because of that weld are cracked. That's the simple called the weld crack. So here are the joint, and the two pipes are joint at the time of welding. So let me see here in this figure, it is clear to see that this is simple called the crack. Okay. So weld crack is discontinuity in the weld joint. Right now, जब भी आप वेल्डिंग करते हैं और ड्यूरिंग वेल्डिंग इफ़ यू स्टॉप फॉर millisecond or second welding, okay, or if you apply some force on that, so maybe there is a crack is generated. So it is the discontinuity in the weld joint. Reason for the welding cracks are caused by the poor ductility of the base metal, fast arc travel speed and rigidity of the joint. Joint बहुत ही rigid होता है, metal पिघलता नहीं है. So that's why, and filler metal is not added in the better way. And also whenever we apply some filler metal or etc. also, okay, अगर उसका force लग गया उसके ऊपर तो भी crack हो सकता है. That's why welding cracks are caused. Next one is the poor welding. Okay. So the poor welding are, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पर फिगर में देख सकते हैं, दो प्लेट्स हैं. दो प्लेट्स के बीच में जब भी आप वेल्डिंग करते हैं तो वेल्डिंग की जो भी स्पीड जाती है, बराबर, दैट इज़ नॉट इन द प्रॉपर वे, और मे बी इट्स पाथ इज डिफ्लेक्टेड. सो द वेल्डिंग पुअर वेल्डिंग इज जनरेटेड. सो पुअर वेल्डिंग बेड appears to be poor if it is not deposited straight, then it is called the poor welding. जैसे कि सिंपल जो लाइनिंग में जॉइंट होना चाहिए वो लाइनिंग में आपको नहीं दिख रहा है, राइट ना. इट शुड बी इन द zigzag way, that is simple called the poor welding. Bed width varies from the plate to plate, place to plate. Okay. Now the next one is the distortion. डिस्टोर्शन का मतलब क्या होता है, जैसे कि दो प्लेट्स हैं. अब यहाँ पर जैसे कि आपको दिख रहा है, लेट मी सी जस्ट अ मिनट. ओके, जैसे कि दो प्लेट्स है. अब दो प्लेट्स को आपने जब जॉइंट किया तो जॉइंट के बीच में जो भी वेल्डिंग हुआ उसमें प्लेट का इंक्लिनेशन आप प्रॉपर वे के अंदर नहीं है. दैट्स वाई ऑल्सो द प्रॉब्लम इज जनरेटेड. दैट्स सिंपल कॉल्ड द डिस्टोर्शन. So the distortion is a change in the shape and difference between the position of the two plates before welding and after welding. Okay, change in shape and difference between the position of the two plates. Okay, this is the simple called the there is a simple called the distortion. Visual inspection, like जैसे ही आप डायरेक्टली वेल्डिंग के अंदर देखते हैं तो क्या हुआ कि दोनों प्लेट्स हैं उसमें से डायरेक्टली आपको दिखता है कोई पिन होल्स हैं या फिर पोरोसिटी है. दैट्स द सिंपल कॉल्ड द विजुअल इंस्पेक्शन. जैसे कि ब्लो होल्स है, राइट ना. तो विजुअल इंस्पेक्शन इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप इन द इंस्पेक्शन ऑफ अ कंपोनेंट एंड मे बी डन विद द अनएडेड आई or by using a hand lens or the microscope. Okay, so these are the normal defects that is generated in the welding. Now in the next video we have go through the solution for this defect. Okay, thank you for today. We will meet tomorrow. Bye.